Have you been looking for some cute styles to do on your daughter? Don't worry, I got you. We're going to do these knotless braids with the cute little curls on the end. I'm going to show you how to do it from start to finish, so stay tuned. So the first thing you're going to do is get you some products. So I got some products from the Isha, this is from the Janet collection. This is their Isha stuff. So I got me a braiding rack. All these products are going to be in the description box, so you can actually go to my storefront and you can purchase all these products. This just makes braiding so much more easier. Then I got pre-sectioned hair from the Janet collection, and this one pack came with 10 bundles of hair inside, and this hair is pre-sectioned. So this is my first time using pre-sectioned hair, but it's such a game changer. I never saw pre-sectioned, pre-stretched hair. So like I said, all of these are going to be in the bio, so you don't need all of that hair. I just used about one bundle, and I actually cut it in half because I didn't want Shiloh's braids to be super long. So I'm also going to use the Slick and Slay. This is from the Isha collection. Also, I'm going to leave a discount code in the description box if you want to purchase this. So this is like an edge control gel, but it's also like a braid gel, so similar to like your jam product. So it doesn't, I don't like using edge control on the scalp because it makes Shiloh's scalp really dry and itchy. So I like to use a product that's similar to like a jam, and this is kind of similar to a jam but a little bit thicker. So the first thing I want to do is pre-section her hair, and I forgot how many braids it was, but maybe like 20 or something like that. I can't remember, but I like to pre-section before I do the braids because this just helps me get along the style quicker and is, you know, easier for the child as well. So I'm gonna just breeze right on through this because, you know, trying to videotape while doing a toddler's hair or child's hair, that's a whole lot. So I cut the hair in half, and what I do is take my Slick and Slay and I put it on, and I make sure, since these are like jumbo size braids, that I have it really smooth on the top. So you can use like an edge control brush or a small brush or a comb to really like get that edge control or that gel or whatever, lock and twist through it so that it can be really smooth. So I start off with like doing a regular braid, and I add one piece of hair. So I add about 3 pieces of hair for thickness, and that's how thick it is. And they're like maybe like medium sized pieces. I didn't make it too big because Shiloh has a small head, so I didn't want her to have some real thick braids on her hair. But I feed in about 3 pieces of hair through her head. And also important while you're braiding, you want to make sure, oh, I forgot, I actually use these little curls to put in her hair. So I have these in the description box too. I think it's like water wave hair or something like that. So I wanted to give like the front like a little bit of a boho look. I didn't put it all throughout the hair because sometimes it may get a little knotty and tingly because she doesn't sleep with a scarf. So I put 2 pieces of those little curly water wave pieces in the front. And while I'm braiding, you want to make sure that you use your jam or gel or whatever to make sure you get all the hair slick in with the braiding hair, so you don't have a bunch of pieces of hair just sticking out and you don't really have to do a whole bunch of cutting and all that. So on the ends, I just use a rubber band now because I don't know how to tie the ends of the hair in a knot. So I left a good amount out on the ends because we're going to we're going to put some rods on there. So I do basically the same thing on the other side. I did the whole head the same way. And what I love about this style is that it doesn't take long and the braids lasted a really good time. So for the ends of the hair, I make sure that that's combed out, and I just took a blue rod because that's what I have. Now you can use white if you want it smaller, or you can use a yellow if you want smaller, or a white rod if you want bigger. So I just take it and I twisted it around, and I'm kind of twisting the hair while I twisted it around the rod. And you want to get you some boiling hot water, not warm but boiling hot, and I dip that in for about 30 seconds. Of course, you want to be careful when you're using boiling water or hot water around your child. So after you dip it in for about 30 seconds, once you take it out, you have a nice little curl. So these curls last the entire hairstyle. You don't have to re-dip them or anything like that. So they came out really good. And what you can do is just put like some mousse or something or some foam on the ends of the hair. But that was pretty much it. So this hairstyle was really quick and easy. This is like a back to school hairstyle, or if you just want to do your child's hair like for like a birthday or something like that, really quick and easy. Make sure you guys subscribe to Shiloh's channel. Make sure you like this video and share it with a mom that you think could benefit from watching this video. Super easy. Catch all the products in the description box. Thanks for watching.